గత ప్రభుత్వంలో ధనిక రాష్ట్రంలో ఆర్థిక వ్యవస్థను చిన్నాభిన్నం చేశారని అన్నారు గవర్నర్ తమిలిసై. గత సమావేశాల్లో రాష్ట్ర ఆర్థిక పరిస్థితిపై శ్వేతపత్రం విడుదల చేశామన్నారు. రాష్ట్రాన్ని పునర్నిర్మించే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నామన్నారు. దశాబ్ద కాలంలో నష్టపోయిన సంస్థలను తిరిగి కోలుకునేలా చేస్తామన్నారు తమిలిసై.
Government is committed to restoring financial discipline and transparency. The white paper on finance released during the last session of the Assembly has laid bare the incompetent and reckless manner in which the previous government has managed public finance. The people of Telangana have handed over a rich state to the previous government, and after 10 years they have handed over a debt-ridden state to us. The immediate challenge is to improve the state's financial situation without burdening the people. The budget gives us an opportunity to start the path of restoration, responsibility and accountability. I am happy to announce that my government will implement 2 more guarantees very soon. Under the Mahalakshmi scheme, the LPG cylinders will be supplied to eligible families for rupees 500 only. Similarly, under the Griha Jyoti scheme, 200 units of free domestic power will be given to every eligible household. My government pledges to implement the guarantees, including the Mahalakshmi scheme, Raitu Bharosa, Griha Jyoti, Indrama houses, Yuva Vikasam and Cheyuta. The promises made will be fulfilled, and we stand committed to the declarations for the farmers, youth, SC/ST communities,